Okay, let's take a look at number 3 on the ratio of similarity worksheet. It says two quadrilaterals are similar. The smaller has a perimeter of 44, the perimeter of the larger quadrilateral is 80, and the area is 456. So let's look at the first question. What is the ratio of the perimeters? Well, the ratio of the perimeters is my linear ratio, so that will be 44 over 80. Make sure you reduce this fraction. In my case, it will reduce to 11 over 20, and that's going to be your answer for letter A. Letter B says, what is the area of the smaller quadrilateral? To do that, I need to find the area ratio. To find the area ratio, you take the linear ratio and you square it, so you're going to get 121 over 400. That's my area ratio. I'm going to use the area ratio to set up a proportion. So my proportion is 121 over 400 equals. Now, since this is the small and this is the big, I have to set up the ratio the same way. So I'm looking for the area of the smaller quadrilateral, so the x goes on top, and I know the area of the larger quadrilateral is 456. When you cross multiply, you get 400x is equal to 55176. Then divide by 400, and you end up with x is equal to 137.94.